Hey, g'day, it's Craig here and I've got me mate Adam, and today we're checking out the brand new 125 amp hour and 205 amp hour battery box power stations. You ripper. Alrighty mate, tell us what's under the hood.
So Craig, just like all our KickAss lithium batteries, we're using A-grade prismatic cells, and in these models we have our smart BMS. So the BMS is what monitors the current, voltage and temperature to ensure your battery box power station is always operating safely.
And don't forget, BMS is short for your battery management system that makes everything's hunky-dory under the bonnet. Alrighty, so first up Adam, the thing that impresses me the most is 125 amp and 205 amp hour. What an absolute ripper.
Yeah, they're upgrades from our current models, Craig. So like you said, 125 amp hours with the battery built into the base. So it's a fully contained unit with the DC-DC charger and all your power distribution. But what we're really happy with is the 205 amp hour built into the same form factor, which is an absolute powerhouse, and there's nothing like it on the market at the moment.
Alrighty, and on top we've got our famous brand new DC-DC chargers with Bluetooth. Tell us a bit more about these, Adam. What's so good about these?
Bluetooth DC-DC chargers, fantastic because you can monitor and control from the app. And there's some really neat features with it. So you can actually adjust the maximum input current from the alternator and tune it down. So it means that this DC-DC charger is suitable to use with vehicles with lower power alternator, or some of those mild hybrids on the market that have the 48 volt alternator, but then a 12 volt step down. So you can connect this to the step down circuitry in that vehicle.
And all done via our KickAss app too, which is an absolute cracker. So not only do we have an app that tells us exactly what the DC-DC charger is doing, we also have our famous display panel here, which I really love because in plain English, it tells you how long the battery's got till it's charged or how long it's got till it's empty, which I think is a real ripper of an idea.
Yeah, so it'll give you SOC and instantaneous charge and discharge current. And with that, like you said, Craig, you can tell you whether you've got an hour left cooking on your inverter or you've got 5 hours remaining to charge from solar. So with that, you get 1C discharge. You also get up to 4,000 cycles life at 80% depth of discharge, so that's how much power you draw from the battery. And in the 125 amp hour, we've paired that with our 120 amp BMS, and for the 205, it's with our 200 amp BMS. So with these battery box power stations, with the 205, you can actually draw 200 amps of continuous current through the high power connector on it, which means it's perfect for pairing with our 2000 watt inverter. For the 125, pair this with our 1000 watt or up to 1200 watt inverter from the high power output.
Okay mate, so with these power stations offering such a big punch, what sort of real life gear can we run off these battery boxes?
Both of these have a high power Anderson output. The 125 has a 120 amp continuous output, and the 205 amp hour has a 200 amp continuous output. So with the 125, you could pair this with our 1000 watt inverter. With the 205, you could pair that with our 2000 watt inverter. So that means you can run induction cooktops, coffee machines, and have some overhead to run multiple AC devices at the same time. With the 125 and the paired 1000 watt inverter, there'll be some coffee machines you can run, and look at our smaller electric barbecues or other lower power AC devices.
So 1000 watt inverter, 2000 watt inverter, how cool is that? And the beauty about these battery box power stations, they've got more inputs and outputs than you can poke a stick at.
Well, Craig, there's actually 15 in total.
There you go.
Let's go through them. So on the back of the unit, we have our flush mount Anderson. So we have our dedicated triple pin Anderson for the alternator input, and we have our dedicated solar input for your unregulated solar panel. So these are flush mounts, so they just connect nicely up behind the battery box power station, meaning you don't need much clearance behind the unit when you install it. Over on this side, we've got our two general purpose Andersons, again, that they're flush mount. So that means these are going to be great for your fridge or any other Anderson devices that are permanently installed in your installation and you're not wanting to connect and disconnect them regularly.
And the great thing there is that's going to butt up against a wall, saving space. And like you said, you don't need to pull these plugs in and out because we've got some more later down the track to do that with.
So we've got the 4 Anderson inputs and outputs. And next to that, we've got our large high power Anderson output.
Okay, and let's talk about the front here. So the really groovy thing is first off, we've got a cigarette lighter socket. So we haven't forgot about you people using cigarette lighter sockets. And it's great for people still using LED lights and bits and pieces like that. Then next to that, we have our first USB, which has our PD45, as well as our Quick Charge 3. Then we have another SIG socket, And last but not least, we've also included one more PD45 and Quick Charge 3. Now the great thing about the PD45 is it can do all your mobile phones, it can even do laptops, so how cool is that? Alrighty, and the awesome thing about our brand new power stations, they come fully assembled. You don't need a spanner, you don't need a screwdriver, they're ready to rock and roll straight out of the box. How impressive is that, mate?
And there's a couple of key accessories that you can purchase with the Battery Box Power Station to make your install even easier. We have our premium alternator wiring kit, which connects directly to the Anderson input at the back of the unit.
And don't forget, we also have our battery tray, so all you got to do is bolt this into your vehicle or wherever you're going to mount it. These are going to clip into the handles and away you go, your battery's not going anywhere. So head online or head in store today, you ripper.